Oo nga eh.
Paano mag-bicycle? Paano mag-bicycle? Yan. Diba lang yun eh? Dito mo. Masama lang.
Umiiyak kanina eh.
Oo nga eh. Ang cute niya.
Faster dapat yung running eh. Paano mag-run?
2, 3, left.
Yan. O, tanong yung legs.
Sino umiyak? Pero pag nakita namin eh. Nanay tsaka lolo.
Ang galing.
O, basta eh, di dapat umi-stop. Di umi-stop.
Mamasyal
Di
ka.
umi-stop.
Sinusundan pa ate niya. Tingnan mo, Jay. Kita mo kayo nasa dibdib mo.
One only lang, one only. Wait lang. Oh, di ba? Very good. Okay, again. Wow.
Blow, turn, down. Tignan mo yung kamay mo. Left,
Ito pa.
blow.
I can.
Just hold.
I can. Whoa!
Just listen.
Nasa mo ganito.
Malamang to, nakalunod na to. Ano naman nakain na to?
Never. Ngayon pa lang.
Oh.
Wow!
Just move your leg. Yeah. Huwag mo siyang gagalawin.
Wow!
Pag binitawan mo yan, you're going to sing. So, you're going to hold it tight. Go there. Just enjoy your day. Yeah.
What? I just want to go.
Okay, me.
Go, bicycle, go. Wow, that's very good. Go faster. Faster bicycle, go. Running. Faster yung running. Go. Say go. Go. Wow, very good. Oh, look at the sky. Yeah, press your mouth. Go running.
1, 2, 3, left.
Oh, yan na.
Go running. Naninigas pa yung paa eh. Pag nagsagil, nakita mo yung katawan niya.
3, left.
Wait.
Blow.
I can do it down.
Yan.
Just close your mouth. Water will enter your mouth.
Aki.
Wow.
Hi. Aki.